How y'all doing? Let's get to it. Today we are going to make a penicillin. I love this cocktail. I actually love ginger in general, so when I heard about this cocktail, I really wanted to make it. The last video you saw in the bar prep playlist, we made ginger syrup. Hey brother. Brother's here again, interrupting the goddamn videos, as usual. So I actually made this for him because he's allergic to penicillin, but he can have this because it does not contain any penicillin. Whenever we're making cocktails, we're starting with the cheapest ingredient first, or sometimes exception to that is like a syrupy. So I usually go sweet citrus spirit. So this is my recipe, not the original, but this is 3/4 ginger syrup into the tin. And then we're doing 3/4 fresh lemon juice into the tin. And finally, we are going to end it with a blended Scotch whiskey. Today I'm using Famous Grouse, and we're going 1.5 ounces into the tin. Cool. Simple as that. I cannot put this on. There we go. Alright. Next we are going to grab our ice into the big tin, and then you're going to pour the contents of the little tin into the big tin. Let's lock our tins and quick shake. Alright. We are going to grab our glass here and our cubes, which I actually have to chop. There we go. This is a double strength cocktail. Into a rock glass with a nice big rock. It's actually kind of strange that this would get a rock because it's technically a sour, so usually those are up in a coupe or something, but this one is not. Originally created by Sam Ross in 2005. This is Ardbeg in a mister, so, or an atomizer. This is known as like a very spicy, peaty Scotch, and we're just gonna use that as the garnish. There you have it, the penicillin. Let's give it a go. That is delicious. So, right on the nose, this is it's freaking smoky. It smells really nice actually. It complements the Scotch that's already in it. And then of course the ginger and the lemon. A little bit of spice from the ginger, a little bit of spice from the Scotch, and then a nice citrus note from the lemon. There you have it, the penicillin.